Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others work hard all their lives and still struggle? It's not always about luck, and it's not even just about money. It's about mindset. The way you think, the way you make decisions, and the way you see opportunities. In this video, we're going to uncover how you can build a millionaire mindset from scratch, even if you're starting with nothing. By the end, you'll have the tools, habits, and strategies to think like a millionaire, and act like one too. But before we dive in, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, the channel where we talk about building wealth, mastering investments, growing businesses, and developing the mindset that turns dreams into reality. Here, you'll learn practical finance tips, powerful business strategies, and proven ways to create financial freedom and long-term success. So if you're ready to take charge of your future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the millionaire mindset. Let's talk about what a millionaire mindset really means. It's not about wearing designer clothes, driving the most expensive car, or showing off on social media. A millionaire mindset is simply a way of thinking that helps you make smart money decisions and build wealth over time. Think of it like a pair of glasses. The way you think is the lens you see the world through, and that lens affects every choice you make with your time, money, and energy. If your lens says money is hard to get, you'll be scared to take chances. But if your lens says money comes when I solve problems, you'll look for opportunities instead of avoiding them. How a millionaire mindset works. People with this mindset usually do 3 big things differently. 1. They think long-term. For example, instead of spending $500 on the latest phone, they might invest that money in a business or stocks, knowing it could grow over time. 2. They focus on creating value. They ask, what can I offer that people need, rather than what can I sell fast? Think of someone who starts a tutoring service because students struggle with exams. That's value. 3. They take smart risks. Not gambling, but calculated moves. Like testing a small online store with $100 instead of throwing all their savings into it at once. Everyday example. Let's say you get a bonus at work. Someone without a millionaire mindset might use it to buy a luxury item that loses value fast. Someone with the mindset might split it. Some for enjoyment, but most into an investment that will make more money later. Quick exercise. Here's something you can do right now. Write down one belief you have about money. If it's negative, like, I'm not good with money, flip it to a positive version like, I can learn to handle money well. Then take a small action today that supports it. Maybe watch a finance video or track your expenses for 1 week. Step 2. Key principles of the millionaire mindset. Now that you understand what a millionaire mindset is, let's break it down into a few core principles that millionaires live by. These are the rules they follow, whether they were born rich or started with nothing. 1. Think long-term. Millionaires don't just think about next week. They think years ahead. If you start a business today, you might not see big profits for a year, but you keep going because you see the bigger picture. For example, Jeff Bezos didn't make huge money from Amazon in the first few years, but he kept reinvesting until it grew into a global company. 2. Focus on creating value, not just making money. If your main goal is just make money, you'll burn out fast. But if you focus on solving problems, money naturally follows. For instance, Uber wasn't created just to make money. It solved the problem of finding quick, affordable rides. That value created billions in revenue. 3. Take calculated risks. Millionaires take risks, but they don't gamble blindly. They do their homework first. For example, instead of putting all your savings into one business idea, you could test it on a small scale first. If it works, you expand. If not, you adjust without losing everything. 4. Keep learning and adapting. The world changes fast. Millionaires read, take courses, attend events, and learn from mentors. Elon Musk, for example, taught himself rocket science by reading books before starting SpaceX. If he had stopped learning, he'd never have launched rockets into space. 5. Stay resilient. Millionaires fail, a lot. The difference is they don't quit. Walt Disney was fired from his first job for lacking creativity, yet he built one of the most creative companies in history. Every failure was a stepping stone, not the end. Mini challenge. Pick one of these principles and apply it this week. If it's keep learning, read a chapter from a business or finance book every night.
Before we move into step 3, I will love you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that.
Step 3. Habits that build the millionaire mindset. Now that we know the principles millionaires follow, the next step is to turn those principles into daily habits. Mindset alone isn't enough, it needs action. And the good news? You can start building these habits today, no matter where you are in life. 1. Learn something. Every day, millionaires feed their minds daily. This could mean reading 10 pages of a finance book, listening to a business podcast, or watching an educational video. Warren Buffett spends about 5 to 6 hours reading every single day. You may not have that much time, but even 20 minutes a day adds up. Example: instead of scrolling social media in the morning, read a chapter of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or an article about investing. 2. Set clear goals and review them. A millionaire mindset is goal-driven. They don't just say, "I want to be rich." They say, "I want to make $5,000 a month from my side business by December." Then they track their progress regularly. Example: write your top 3 goals on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them every day: your desk, bathroom mirror, or phone lock screen. 3. Watch your money closely. If you don't track your money, it will disappear without you noticing. Millionaires know where every dollar goes. They budget, they review expenses, and they invest a portion of their income consistently. Example: use a free app like Mint or just a notebook to track every expense for 1 month. You'll be surprised where your money really goes. 4. Network with the right people. Your environment shapes your mindset. Spend time with people who push you to think bigger. If your friends only complain about money, it's harder to grow. Millionaires spend time with mentors, entrepreneurs, and other ambitious people. Example: join a local business group, an online mastermind, or attend free entrepreneurship workshops. Practice self-discipline. Success often means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. That could mean working on your business after work, skipping unnecessary shopping, or sticking to your learning schedule. Example: if your plan is to post a video every Tuesday, stick to it, even when you're tired or busy. Mini challenge. This week, pick just 2 of these habits and stick to them for the next 7 days. You'll be amazed at how even small, consistent actions start to change the way you think and behave.
Step 4. Shifting from employee to entrepreneur thinking.
If you want to build wealth like a millionaire, you have to think differently about money and work. Most people are trained to think like employees, trading hours for money. But millionaires think like entrepreneurs, creating value, building systems, and letting money work for them. 1. Understand the difference in mindset. An employee asks, "How much will they pay me for my time?" An entrepreneur asks, "How can I create something valuable that people will pay for?" Example: an employee might work in a bakery for $10 per hour. An entrepreneur might own the bakery, hire staff, and sell bread to hundreds of customers daily. 2. Focus on creating, not just consuming. Most employees are consumers. They work, earn, and spend. Entrepreneurs are creators. They look for ways to produce something useful, whether it's a product, or service, or content. Example: instead of just using Instagram to browse, an entrepreneur uses it to sell cakes, market their designs, or promote their online course. 3. See problems as opportunities. Employees often see problems as headaches. Entrepreneurs see them as gold mines. Every business exists because it solves a problem. Example: people were frustrated about booking taxis. Uber saw that problem and built a billion-dollar company to solve it. 5. Learn to take calculated risks. Employees are trained to avoid risk. Entrepreneurs understand that smart risks often lead to big rewards, but they always calculate the risk first. Example: instead of quitting your job immediately to start a business, you could start it part-time, test the idea, and only go full-time when it's stable. 5. Build systems, not just work hours. An employee's income stops if they stop working. An entrepreneur builds systems, a team, online platforms, or investments that keep generating money even when they're not actively working. Example: a YouTuber creates a video once, but it keeps earning ad revenue for years. Mini challenge. This week, write down one business idea that solves a real problem. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get it on paper. Then think about the first small step you could take to test it.
Step 5. Mastering financial literacy. You can't build a millionaire lifestyle if you don't understand the language of money. Just like you need to learn English to read a book, you need to learn financial literacy to read and control your finances. 1. Know where your money goes. Most people work hard for money, but have no idea where it disappears. Millionaires track every dollar. Pushpin example. If you earn $200 a month and spend $220, you're going backwards. A simple monthly budget can save you from financial stress. 2. Understand assets versus liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Many people think they're rich because they buy nice things, but those things often drain their wallet. Pushpin example. A rental property is an asset. It pays you rent every month. A luxury car that you can't afford to maintain is a liability. 3. Learn about compounding. Millionaires know how to make their money work for them, and compounding is their secret weapon. Pushpin example. If you invest $1,000 at 10% interest yearly, in 10 years you don't just have $2,000. You have more than $2,590 because your interest also earns interest. 4. Control debt. Don't let debt control you. Some debts are bad, some can be strategic. Millionaires use debt to grow, not to buy things they can't afford. Pushpin example. Borrowing to buy a smartphone you don't need? Bad debt. Borrowing to expand a business that's already profitable? That's strategic debt. 5. Learn the basics of investing. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Just understand the basics. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds. Pushpin example. Instead of keeping all your money in a savings account earning 2%, you could diversify into investments that give higher returns over time. Light bulb mini challenge. This week, write down all your monthly expenses and separate them into 2 categories, needs and wants. Then look for one expense to cut and one investment you can start, even if it's small. Step 6. Building millionaire habits. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about having the right ideas. It's about having the right daily habits. Your habits decide your future. Show me your daily routine, and I can predict your bank account. 1. Wake up with purpose. Most successful people start their day early, not just to brag, but to get a head start. Pushpin example. If you wake up at 5:30 a.m., you can spend an hour reading, planning, or exercising before the world starts demanding your attention. That's a mental and physical edge over someone who wakes up at 8 a.m. rushing for work. 2. Read and learn every day. Millionaires feed their minds before they feed their bodies. Pushpin example. Warren Buffett reads for hours daily. You might not have that much time, but 15 to 30 minutes of a good book, podcast, or course adds up. Over a year, you'll be miles ahead of those who don't learn. 3. Network with the right people. Your circle is your net worth. If you spend time with people who have no vision, you'll adopt their habits. Pushpin example. Instead of spending every weekend gossiping with friends who don't want to grow, attend seminars, business meetups, or join online communities where people are striving for more. 4. Practice discipline, not just motivation. Motivation will get you started, but discipline keeps you going when you don't feel like it. Pushpin example. You may not feel like saving 10% of your income this month, but discipline means you do it anyway. Over years, that habit builds wealth. 5. Focus on value creation. Millionaires don't just chase money. They create value, and money follows. Pushpin example. Instead of thinking, how can I make 500,000 Nigerian Nairas this month? Think, what problem can I solve that people will happily pay me for? That shift leads to opportunities that last. Light bulb mini challenge. Pick one small habit you can start today. Reading for 15 minutes, saving 5% of your income, or reaching out to one person who inspires you. Step 7. Creating multiple streams of income. Millionaires rarely depend on just one source of money. Why? Because if that one source dries up, everything collapses. Multiple streams of income means stability, security, and faster wealth growth. 1. Understand why one source is risky. Pushpin example. Imagine you work a 9-to-5 job and suddenly lose it. If that's your only income, you go into panic mode. But if you have a side business, investments, and maybe some rental income, you're still standing strong. 2. Start with what you know. Don't overcomplicate things. Your first extra income stream can be built from your current skills or knowledge. Pushpin example. If you're good at graphic design, offer freelance services online. If you're a teacher, start tutoring or selling educational materials. 3. Explore passive income opportunities. Passive income is money that comes in with little daily effort once it's set up. Pushpin example. Writing an ebook and selling it online. Creating a YouTube channel that earns from ads. Renting out property. Dividend-paying stocks. 4. Reinvest earnings from one stream to build another. Let your money be a soldier. Send it out to work for you. Pushpin example. If your side hustle earns you 100,000 Nigerian Nairas a month, instead of spending it all, put part of it into starting an online store or buying assets. 5. Keep each stream sustainable. It's not about having 10 streams that overwhelm you. It's about having 3 to 5 solid ones you can maintain. Pushpin example. You could have Keycap 1, your main job/business. Keycap 2, a small e-commerce store. Keycap 3, stock investments. Keycap 4, a content channel, YouTube, TikTok, etc. Light bulb mini challenge. List 3 skills or resources you currently have. For each one, write down one way it could become a stream of income. Start with the easiest to launch. Conclusion. Turning mindset into millions. We've walked through the 7 key steps to building a millionaire mindset from scratch. From understanding how successful people think, to setting clear goals, building multiple income streams, developing valuable skills, mastering financial discipline, and more. But here's the truth. Knowing these steps is not enough. The real magic happens when you put them into action consistently. Remember, millionaires aren't made overnight. They're shaped by daily choices, small but powerful habits, and the courage to think differently from the crowd. Your journey might start small. Maybe it's setting aside just a little money each month, reading one book, or working on a side hustle. But those small steps compound over time, and before you know it, you'll look back and realize you've built something incredible. If you found value in today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Here, we talk about mindset, money, and mastery, giving you the tools to grow, succeed, and live life on your own terms. Bye for now. See you in the next video.